This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series, episode 32, part 1. In this video, we will discuss 40 MCQs about Pakistani society and culture. If you have not subscribed this channel, then press the subscription button and bell icon so you will receive the notification or new MCQs video instantly. Let's start. First MCQ is, the culture of Pakistan is greatly influenced by. Options are Central Asia, Middle East, Indus Valley Civilization, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. The culture of Pakistan is influenced by all of these Central Asia, Middle East and Indus Valley Civilization. Therefore, fourth is the correct answer here. The culture of Pakistan evolved and changed with the changing times, but the basic outline remains. Options are different, new, same, none of these. So the correct answer is same. The basic outline of culture of Pakistan remains same. Number 3. Besides being home to ancient civilization, Pakistan is rich in. Options are political monuments, cultural and historical monuments, social monuments, traditional monuments. So second is the correct answer, which is cultural and historical monuments. Beside being home to ancient civilization, Pakistan is rich in cultural and historical monuments. The wealth of cultural and ethnic background goes back to the Indus Valley civilization. Options are 2800 BC to 1800 BC, 1500 BC to 1400 BC, 1800 BC to 1900 BC, 2700 BC to 1000 BC. So first is the correct answer, which is 2800 BC to 1800 BC. The wealth of cultural and ethnic background goes back to the Indus Valley civilization, which remained from 2800 BC to 1800 BC. The culture of Pakistan is influenced by different nations including. Options are Aryans, Greeks, Arabs and Turks, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. Culture of Pakistan is diverse range of group. Options are social, ethnic, religious, none of these. Second is the correct answer, which is ethnic. Culture of Pakistan is a diverse range of groups, ethnic. These groups are called ethnics and ethnicity. Differences in culture among the different ethnic groups can be seen in various aspects such as dress, food, religion, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. The society of Pakistan is relatively diverse and it presents a picture of a largely. Options are multilingual, multicultural, multi-ethnic, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer. The society of Pakistan is relatively diverse and it presents the picture of largely. All of these is the correct answer because it presents a picture of multilinguistic as well, multicultural as well, multi-ethnicity as well. So fourth is the correct answer here. Majority of people in Pakistan belong to. Options are Punjabi and Sindhi, Pashtun and Balochi, Muhajir, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. Major languages in Pakistan are. Options are Urdu and Punjabi, Pashto and Balochi, Sindhi and Kashmiri, all of them. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of them. All of these are major languages in Pakistan. In recent years, a distinctive Pakistani culture has taken shape, especially in. Options are rural areas, urban areas, remote areas, none of these. So second is the correct answer, which is urban areas. Along with conservative class of Muslims dominated by regional tribal customs, you can also see emergence of. Options are modern people, literary people, ignorant people, none of these. So first is the correct answer, which is modern people. Culture of Pakistan is quite intriguing and excites the travelers to learn more about it. Options are wealth of traditions, its background, rich heritage, all of them. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of them. The coastline of Pakistan in Sindh extends about, options are 1050 km to 250 km, 500 km to 1500 km, 7000 km to 1000 km, none of them. First is the correct answer, which is 1050 km to 250 km. The coastline of Pakistan in Balochistan extends about, options are 500 km, 800 km, 1000 km, 1200 km. So the correct answer is 800 km. The coastline of Pakistan in Balochistan extends about 800 km. The famous beaches in Pakistan include, options are Somniani and Hinkol River, Ormara and Pasni, Gwadar, Clifton and Hawke's Bay, all of them. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of them. All of these are famous beaches in Pakistan. Beaches are favorite haunt with, options are local tourists, foreign tourists, family travelers, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. Population of Pakistan is Muslim by, options are 35%, 55%, 75%, 95%. So fourth is the correct answer, which is 95%. Pakistan comprises area, options are 6,96096 square kilometer, 6,96096 square kilometer, 8,96096 square kilometer, 9,96996 square kilometers. So it is quite easy. Second is the correct answer, which is 7,96096 square kilometer. Pakistan consists of 4 provinces and, options are Punjab and Sindh, KPK and Balochistan, GB and Kashmir, all of these. So all of these is the correct answer, but now GB is also included as a 5th province of Pakistan. The city of Islamabad became capital in, it is important MCQ, oftenly repeated in one test paper as well or in competitive exam as well. So the city of Islamabad became capital in, options are 1956, 1966, 1976, 1986. The second is the correct answer, which is 1966. The Indus River is long. Options are 2697 km, 2796 km, 2896 km, 2996 km. So third is the correct answer, which is 2896 km. The Indus River is 2896 km long. Peshawar city is situated at the edge of, options are Chitral Pass, Khyber Pass, Loralai Pass, none of these. So second is the correct answer, which is Khyber Pass, and it is important MCQ. Swat Valley, which was once the cradle of Buddhism, is at an elevation of, options are 1158 meters, 1258 meters, 1358 meters, 1458 meters. So first is the correct answer, which is 1158 meters. The people of Hunza Valley are believed to be descendant of soldiers of, options are America, Alexander the Great, Greek, none of them. Second is the correct answer, which is Alexander the Great. The people of Hunza Valley are believed to be descendants of soldiers of Alexander the Great. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, valley is surrounded by, options are Swat Valley, Gilgit, Azad Kashmir, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. And it is not surrounded by, it is surrounded by. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the Kagan Valley is surrounded by Swat Valley, Gilgit, Azad Kashmir, all of these. Fourth is the correct answer, all of these. The people of Kagan Valley are, options are Pathans, Kohistanis, Gujars, all of them. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of them. Skardu Valley is the capital of the district of Baltistan and is known as Little China, Little Tibet, all of them, none of these. Second is the correct answer, which is Little Tibet. Skardu Valley is the capital of district of Baltistan and it is also known as Little Tibet. People of these valley areas are known for their, options are tribal cultures, handicraft, brushes, all of them. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. The official language of Pakistan is, options are English, Urdu, Hindi, Pashto. Second is the correct answer, which is Urdu. The English in Pakistan is referred to as, options are formal language, informal language, common language, popular language. Second is the correct answer, which is informal language. Urdu language was created by combining the languages of early invaders and settlers, including, options are Arabic, Persian, Turkish, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. The spoken form of Urdu is same as that of Hindi, but it is written in a different, options are line, script, style, none of these. Second is the correct answer, which is script. The script of Urdu and Hindi language is different, but they are spoken as same. Other than Urdu and English, number of languages spoken in Pakistan are, options are Punjabi and Sindhi, Pashto and Balochi, Brevi and Saraiki, and Hindiko dialects, all of these. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. The design of Pakistan's flag was officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly in, options are June 1947, July 1947, August 1947, September 1947. Second is the correct answer, which is July 1947. Pakistan's flag was flown for the first time on their Independence Day. Options are 13th August 1947, 14th August 1947, 15th August 1947, 16th August 1947. Second is the correct answer, which is 14th August 1947. In Pakistan's flag, there is a thick white strip on the left side of the flag. The rest of the flag is, options are blue, red, dark green, orange. Third is the correct answer, which is dark green. The white represents peace and the dark green represent, options are crowd, prosperity, peace, none of these. Second is the correct answer, which is prosperity. The white represent peace and the dark green represent prosperity. The crescent stands in Pakistani flag represent, options are peace, progress, crowd, none of these. So second is the correct answer, which is progress. The crescent stand represent progress and the green color represent prosperity. So don't mix these two questions. The green part represent prosperity, white part represent peace, and the crescent represent progress. Last MCQ. The star in Pakistani flag represent, options are light, guidance, knowledge, all of these. Fourth is the correct answer, which is all of these. The star represent all of these: light, guidance, and knowledge. Okay, so these are 4 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here to solve these questions and mention in the comment section that how many of these questions are correct. And if you have not subscribed this channel until now, so please press the bell icon and subscription button to just support this channel as well. Okay, thank you so much. See you in next video.